Oh.
Ngamamtya.
Ngoli bulungi.
Ndi very good.
Tubuzeeko bano nabafumye ennyimba ne tubakolako interview gwe n'omu.
Nga gyendi nfumba ngenda kuta album very soon, so I'm just working in the background.
Yegeto dasogera kuta album eriko abali nominated mu Grammys. Soko tunyo.
Album Jirinde Bulinzi, eri on the way. Of course, I have big artists I've collaborated with. So guys, just wait. It's coming on, and it's gonna be hot and nice.
Okay. Lero tuliko tukuza Mother's Day.
Yeah.
Kigambo kibaita Mother's Day buli mwabera ko ne mama nga yamuzaala mama oba omuntu yenna amukuzizza. What is the message you have for the mothers?
Just ngenda kwebaza because it's not easy to raise someone. It is a very noble thing for a mother okusalawo okukuza abaana be. So nze mbawe ekitiibwa kingi nnyo. Mama wange Nakamate Mary eyeddireko be happy Mother's Day, namukubidde nenjogerako naye, and I wish a happy Mother's Day to all the mothers bonna abakuzizza abaana mwenna wadde sigwa muzaala mwenna bannange mwebale nnyo omukolo omulimu gw'amaanyi era mbawe ekitiibwa era Mukama abongere omukisa.
Nga tuvudde ku ekyo akakiiko aka federation wakawuliddeko Abayimbi ke balimu?
Yeah, nabiwuliddeko, but I don't have like concrete info because I haven't like talked to any artists ali part of that entire organization, but I've heard it, I've seen it, and it's a good thing. I'm really proud of our artists in the industry coming up together and organizing ourselves for a good cause for this one time. So I'm just looking forward to it, and I'm going to call how they're going to impact the industry as artists ngabali wamu. So yeah, it's a good thing, and I'm very happy. I never knew about it, to be honest, but since Banenya basobola okukolagana no yaliwo at that moment, but it's a good thing, and of course I'm going to be in touch with Kachikako so that tubegatako as Swangz Avenue, as my artists, as my fellow artists ngabo tuli mu Swangz Avenue. Kintu kirungi nnyo.
Ebabega katugera tuwulira ebintu ebigere venga kayimba kote kannafuluma. Azawi ali tumbu, Azawi ali lugamba yi.
Nedda siri lubuto.
Ebyadala.
Yeah.
Lwaki abantu bali bakusala kama tugendo?
Simanyi, I don't know.
Why did you say no friend?
Nedda siri, I'm still working. So ncha sinaba. Go ahead. Not now. Of course, not now. Of course, I would want to have my own kids later on, but not now. Yeah, not now. I don't want to say that because honestly, it is none of anybody's business. But of course, you guys have a way of knowing things. So mujamanya.
Akatiko kakalize emirembe ke balonze kwa bantu twawulidde mu kasente bukana kubabeera bayomba.
Alaba mbemma mugezaako okweorganizinga ebyo byonna bibeeramu obukubagano bubeeramu until when you find like a middle ground for all of you and you work together. So that is very expected, but I know that we shall go through it to Jachitam, Gaba artists, to Vedewamu at the end of it all.
Don't you feel like you guys like Swangz Avenue left out? Because of Wanga, no one in Swangz Avenue like the Swangz Avenue fraternity is left out. Among Abayimbi Ba Tebattuyise. Don't you feel like you guys are left out?
No, we were not, because since they didn't like reach out, of course they did, and when we saw it, and we also like reached out to see how we can be part of that organization. So we are working together, and abantu abalowoza nti for us we are just standing aside and watching other artists do the things. No, it's not the truth. We are part of them and we support each other. So yeah.
Abalowoza mwe mwatuuka abaswangi.
Abantu just bateka ombozi yawe, but it's not true.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
atya wakulaba kawulira atya ekisingo yakiraba atya wakulaba kawulira atya kwagala nnyo n'ebitankwatako. It's all about you to say yes, I'm ready to go. Katonda yatonda kwenamala toyina we wakyamanyira sina mwenge nayo kuba 1 meter distance nayezita mwana gogenda kuzita esiwo yakikola atya oba yakikola atya kuteka mukyawa ekisingo yakiraba atya wakulaba kawulira atya okwagala njagala okimanye kwomukuyembala kunsi tali tewalya nkwasaganya nakoba tetekanya nakino kankitambe awafibirwe ebyobi kunabe kwezabe nakokumaniri ugeze kirino manegakaba ugeze oliwonguza mu mavune ekisiwo yakikola atya oba yakikola atya ekisiwo yakiraba atya wabawala kawulira atya
I want you